People ask me all the time, so what exactly is Vital Force Naturopathy? And the truth is, it's my life's work and passion. Vital Force Naturopathy is a holistic medical practice. It's built to help people reclaim their energy, their confidence, and honestly, their joy and vitality for life. It's for anyone who's tired of feeling inflamed, exhausted, stressed, or dismissed by the system that keeps saying, your labs look fine, while your body is loudly telling you something isn't fine at all. So what do we actually do if we work together? We rebuild your health and we change how you think about it. We start with the essentials. Let's stabilize blood sugar. Let's eat real, nutritionally dense food and get rid of the processed junk. Let's incorporate daily movement and embrace physical goals that maybe you thought weren't possible anymore. We can help you get there. And as you do this, suddenly you start to experience better sleep, a more calm nervous system. And because you're feeling so much better, well, you're creating habits that will actually stick. And this, my friends, is a game changer. We're also going to layer in naturopathic care, homeopathy, herbal medicine, and some functional medical testing if it's needed. You are building a new life with practices that support the whole you, and it is truly transformative. And here's the thing, you're not just handed instructions or some plan and wish good luck. You get me in your corner, coaching you, guiding you, cheering for you, and empowering you along the way. You get menus and recipes, first aid support tools, even custom GPT coaching companions that will help you stay on track between your visits. You get a whole structure, a holistic program designed to reduce stress, cut confusion, and help you take control of your health in a way that works for you. How do I know this works? Well, I've watched it work for almost nearly 20 years. I've watched people lose weight without starving, without needing to measure and weigh and count their food and macros. I've seen people reverse fatigue they've had for decades. I've seen people heal digestive issues, heal their skin eruptions, things that have made their life miserable. I've seen people balance their hormones without having to take hormones. Patients regularly have improved sleep, reduced inflammation. Finally, they get to feel like themselves again. And I am not here teaching anything I don't live myself. I'm going to be turning 49 at the beginning of next year, and I feel better now than I did in my 20s. And this is because I live with the same principles that I teach. So can you really do this for yourself? Absolutely. If you're willing to show up, stay curious, and take responsibility for your health, then I can walk with you along this path to your health destination. Your first step is simple. Schedule a free discovery call with me. We're going to talk about what's happening in your body, what you want your life to look like in the future, and whether or not this program is the right fit for you. Everything you want, more energy, better sleep, a body that feels good to live in, it all exists on the other side of that first step, that phone call. So stay curious, stay empowered, and pursue health always. That, my friends, is the Vital Force way.